Looking for a compact all-in-one packaging line for your small workshop? This desktop automatic turntable 2-head filling capping labeling line is your ideal solution from the One Packaging. It's fully controlled by PLC and HMI, equipped with servo to head gear pump filling, 4-wheel screw capping, and sticker labeler all-in-one production line. Filling range covers 2 milliliters to 5,000 milliliters. Max output hits 1,000 bottles per hour. Ultra space-saving design, economic cost, and super easy daily maintenance. Perfect for liquid, gel, essential oil, juice, yogurt, and various cosmetic and food products. As a professional filling line manufacturer with 15+ years experience, we support full customization based on your bottles, viscosity, and workshop space. Message us now to get your tailored packaging solution.